Hey guys, Sean from Living Seeds, your seed guru. Today we're talking about sprouts, how to make sprouts using the Living Seeds sprouting lid. Cool, so first of all I want to tell you guys about these amazing sprouting lids. If you look at the lid, you'll see that there's an extra row of holes in the top half of the lid. And the reason for that is we want a negative air pressure in the top half of the bottle. So how it works, if you look at this bottle over here, when seed germinates, it generates its own heat. As you know from science, hot air rises. As the hot air rises, because there's a negative air pressure at the top half of the lid, this sucks the warm air out and the cool air enters on the bottom of the bottle. This sets up a passive ventilation cycle in the bottles. This simple fact is one of the reasons why the Living Seeds sprouting lid is the best sprouting system in South Africa. The great thing about the Living Seeds sprouting lid is that they fit a wide variety of 750ml jars. I'm almost 100% sure that you got one of these jars underneath your kitchen counter. If you don't, phone a friend. So the question is, what's in the box? So the first thing you see when you open the box is our sprouting manual. What this manual does is it teaches you how to grow your own sprouts. It gives you ideas. It shows you a whole variety of sprouting recipes. There's 4 tubes of sprouting seed. We've got wheatgrass, lentils, mung beans, and white chickpeas. These are our customers' 4 favorite sprouting seeds. And then we have 4 of these awesome sprouting lids that you can use to make your own sprouts. Using your Living Seed sprouting system is very simple. All you need to do is pour about 2 tablespoons of seed into the jar. Let's put that cap back on over there and fill it up halfway with water is good. And now you allow it to stand overnight. After about 6 hours of soaking, or even overnight, if you shake the seeds up, you'll see that it's slightly milky. So what you want to do is you just want to hook the sprouting jar into your dish rack, allow it to drain out nicely, and you want to rinse it 2 or 3 times. This rinsing process with the seeds you want to do at least twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. If you have a whole lot of sprouting jars running, it's a very simple process. You just stick all of them into your tray, let them drain nicely, and you can repeat the process. You'll see this water is nice and clear now. Just give it another rinse and let it drain, and you just do this twice a day with your sprouts and they are good to go. It's very important that once you have done your daily rinsing, once in the morning and once in the evening, that you actually allow your sprouting bottle to lie on its side like this. What this does is it sets up the passive ventilation where the hot air goes out the top and the cool air goes in the bottom. This ensures that your seeds don't go miff, which is critically important. The cool thing is that when the sprouts are ready, these sprouts are 4 days old. When the sprouts are ready, you take the entire jar as it is and stick it inside the fridge. It'll store inside the fridge like that for about 5 days. When you want to use the sprouts, all you need to do is rinse them and you can use them immediately. Using the Living Seed sprouting system is as easy as that. Just a couple of minutes, once in the morning, once in the evening. 3 or 4 days later, you've got sprouts that look just like this. You can use them in your salads, on your samis. You can put them into soups. You can put them into stews. You can cook with them, stir fry with them, or just eat them out of the jar. Guys, Living Seed sprouts are absolutely fantastic.